Joe, is this a comeback story, or is this a clawing on until Amazon finally eats everybody up?
Well, I mean, they're doing what they can to compete with Amazon. It is definitely coming back from where it's been. Obviously, they had a very good quarter, and a lot of the initiatives that they've been putting in place seem to work out for them quite well. There's optimism that the second half will be a little bit better and will continue. But to your point, Amazon is that big looming threat for really all of retail right now that you've got to figure out a way to do battle with them.
What's Target doing that's bringing it more foot traffic?
Well, they've really enhanced their merchandising within the stores. They focused very much on like apparel and home categories, some baby and kid areas as well. And they've upgraded the brands, their house brands in particular. They've done a lot there. That's all been helping to drive more sales. Plus, at the same time, they've done a very good job with their mobile site. They've done a very good job with their e-commerce, their main desktop site, and that's been helping to drive sales there as well. Prices have come down a little bit. They're trying to stabilize on that level. So generally, they had a good quarter. You know, the consumer is looking for some values, and they were finding it at Target.
Joseph, a lot of people have been focusing as well on the digital sales. How much is this about Target benefiting from people using credit cards? I mean, household borrowing in the US is close to a record high, if not at it.
No, absolutely. And now Target does tend to have a slightly more affluent consumer, a middle to upper income consumer, and that is a big portion of where we've seen some of that borrowing happening. So some of it is related to that, and to your point, you need a credit card generally to shop online, and so that definitely has been helping them. Online sales are up 30% for them this quarter. Amazon has been doing well there. Walmart, we think, is going to do well tomorrow. So you're seeing this shift towards online, and that's really been the growth area, and it drove a big portion of same-store sales for Target. It was, 110 basis points, or 1.1% of the full 1.3% comp that they did in the quarter. So most of it was online.